Hello, I'm Brian Barbish, Principal Data Migration Engineer here at Avere Systems. And today I'm going to talk about the Ask Avere question, why would I use FlashMove instead of rsync or SCP? Well, we'll focus on two reasons today that you might use FlashMove instead of rsync or SCP. First, FlashMove is capable of moving an active or online data set. And second, FlashMove can seamlessly migrate your data to the cloud without knowledge of the user applications. Let's focus on the first idea. FlashMove is capable of moving an active or online data set. In contrast to rsync or SCP, typically rsync or SCP are capable of moving a point-in-time copy of your data. So if you have a source and a destination data set, you would take maybe a snapshot of your source data, copy it with rsync or SCP to your destination, and then meanwhile the data might be changing. So when you're done moving the initial data set, you might come back again and migrate the diff between the first snapshot and a second snapshot that encompasses the data that changed while you're moving the first snapshot. And you might iterate over this for a few times until finally the source and the destination are close enough, and at that point you have to have a cutover point. So at the cutover point, you might have to take the data set offline, blocking access from all of the users, while you take your final diff of the data using rsync or SCP, then change the mount points on your clients to physically point from the source to the destination core filer. Now let's contrast this with the way that FlashMove works. FlashMove also has a source and destination core filer. The source and destination might be either NAS, a traditional NAS, or a cloud core filer. But the clients are mounting the Avere cluster, and we're moving the data behind the scenes, so behind the file system. In this way, we can abstract the movement of the data from the clients accessing the file system. Therefore, the clients don't even know that your data is moving. So the second point is that FlashMove is capable of seamlessly migrating your user data between a traditional NAS and a cloud core filer. And the cloud here is cheap and deep S3 object storage. So the way that Avere can do this is that we've already managed the shredding of your objects, or of your files into objects, so we can place them on the cloud core filer. And so your clients don't have to change the way they're written to be able to speak S3 or talk to object stores. All that they have to do is do things the way they've been doing, and we can seamlessly migrate your data in the background from the source core filer to a destination cloud core filer. So to summarize, we've talked about two ways that FlashMove can help you over rsync or SCP. First, FlashMove can migrate an active or online data set. And second, FlashMove can seamlessly migrate your data to cloud without changes to your user applications. Thank you.